In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make presentation in Gamma I. Open your browser and head to gamma.app. On the homepage, click sign up or log in, and once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, click create new to start a fresh project. This is your starting point for building a sharp, professional presentation in just a few minutes. You'll be asked how you want to begin. You can generate with AI, start from a blank canvas, or use a template. If you want the fastest, most guided experience, choose Generate with AI. Templates are handy if you're matching a specific style, and blank is great if you already know exactly what you want. For most people, letting the AI draft the first pass saves a lot of time. Next, enter your topic. Type a clear prompt such as marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. Being specific helps. Include your audience, the goal, and any constraints if you have them. Then click Generate. In a few moments, Gamma AI will produce an initial set of slides with headings, talking points, and a logical flow. If the direction isn't quite right, you can adjust your prompt and regenerate. Now review and edit your slides. Click any slide to tweak the text, check facts, and tailor the tone to your voice. Add or remove sections to match your storyline, and drag slides to rearrange the order. Aim for a clear arc, a strong opening, well-organized main points, and a concise conclusion. Customize the design to make it yours. Choose a theme or style, then adjust colors and fonts to align with your brand or audience. Add images, icons, or short video clips to reinforce key ideas. Keep readability in mind with high contrast and consistent font sizes. Gamma's layouts help maintain a modern, clean look without extra effort. If you need additional material, click Add Card to insert more content. You can add text blocks, images, videos, charts, and even embeds like links or live web content. Charts are excellent for turning data into quick insights, and embeds keep everything in one place. Use AI to refine your writing. Highlight any text and open the AI options to rewrite for clarity, expand a point, or simplify dense sections. This is perfect for tightening wording or matching the tone to your audience. Always give it a quick read to ensure accuracy. When you're ready, click Present for slideshow mode, or click Share to send a link and collaborate with teammates in real time. Finally, export as a PDF or a PowerPoint file for offline use, or share via link for the easiest, always up-to-date version.